Hey guys, Joe from Cold Springs RV bringing you the 2019 Wildwood 26 dBLE. This is actually a very limited run, so whatever I have in stock, once they're gone, they're gone. A few features we'd like to point out is they are pre-wired for solar. You just have to purchase the solar from Furon. Nice big storage underneath here, as you can tell. Solid plywood decking, which is nice. Big power awning. You do get the solid steps, which I like. They flip right into there. They're solid. They're good for your knees. Doesn't hurt as much. You do have your outside speakers with LED lights. New color pattern this year. I'm going to have Tom walk around the outside and I'll see you on the inside. Wildwoods have a nice big bedroom, nice walk around queen bed. You do got storage on both sides with hanging storage as well. This also has the outlets on either side of the bed. Big windows. This is an exit window, but you will have a cross breeze going through here, and LED lights, which are a push button as well. Head out to the main area here. Biggest thing too I like to point out is solid floors. So you got a nice solid finish there. This year they've gone with this kind of a brick pattern. Lightens up the floor plan quite a bit. You do got your sound bar here, which is great. Sounds good, and it has outside speakers. You get some storage under here. This will take an HDMI cord as well, so if you are setting up for like a game system, stuff like that, it will work. Nice kitchen, 2-bowl sink. Pots and pans drawer. 3-burner cooktop here. Kind of like it this year. They put these on. Lights up and off. Your fan, your microwave. All nice and easy to get to. What's nice about this is you can sleep quite a few people in here. This will go flat for one adult. Go. This material this year, I'm actually I like it very much because it's textured, it's easy to clean, and if you spill anything on it, it just pulls up, you just wipe it right off. Especially if you got little kids. These are the new Everchill fridges. It's the same size as a residential, except it will run on battery, which is a nice little feature. LED light, draws no power. This model also has a pantry. Nice large pantry, get all your stuff in there. And you got the teddy bear bunks. Very soft, very easy to clean. It's a teddy bear bunk series. These are actually a little bit wider than your standard bunks, so your kids won't outgrow them right away. Nice big bathroom, foot flush toilet. Nice tall shower. And you got your sink right here on the outside so you can brush your teeth when somebody is taking a shower. Everything's controlled by your Dometic. So this way you control your heat and your air conditioning. Set the temperature and you're good to go. I'm going to have Tom pan around the unit real quick. As I said earlier, these are a limited edition run. They even say it right on the side of them. So once we're out, we're out. These are actually very competitively priced for all the options I have in them. Retail comes in around $29,000. We are going to have these on special, so keep an eye on the website, and that's www.cokespringsrv.com.